In this lesson, let's learn some interrogative sentences starting with the word why. The first one, why are you crying? Karigino nang nakapido? Why are you laughing? Karigino nang na noido? Why do you come here? Karigi sida ino? Why are you angry? Nang karigi saurino? Why are you so happy? Nang karigi aduk haraurino? Why do you hate me? Nang karigi aibu tugatcharino natraga nungshidrino? Why did you leave me all alone? Nang aibu ithanta karigi thamlamlibano natraga thadok amibano? Why are you so naughty? Nang karigi aduk yam ngausinnaribano natraga oktribano? Why are you so good to me? Nang karigi ingonda aduk yam faribano? Why is this world so unkind to me? Masigi sangsar sina ingonda asuk thaujan bidribasi karigino? Why do you cheat or tell lies? Nang sinthiriba karigino natraga thiba wa ngangiba karigino? Why are you daydreaming? Nang karigi mondrang tauribano? Why are you farting? Nang karigi nungshit mapi thadok ibano? Why did you run away from me? Nang aingondagi karigi chenkribano? The last one. Why are you worried? Nang karigi wakal waribano? Okay, let's read from the beginning. Why are you crying? Why are you laughing? Why do you come here? Why are you angry? Why are you happy? Why are you so happy? Why do you hate me? Why did you leave me all alone? Why are you so naughty? Why are you so good to me? Why is this world so unkind to me? Why do you cheat or tell lies? Why are you daydreaming? Why are you farting? Why did you run away from me? Why are you worried? That's all for today. See you in the next video. Hey, wait. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do like, share and comment. Press that notification bell too so that you don't miss any of my videos. Ngasigidi adu khakni mathangi video da amuk unarasi. Hey, ngaikho. Aigi channel da subscribe tauba kauganu. Chanbiduna like, share amasung comment taubiyu. Notification kangsi adubu nambiyu. Aigi video singbu ama fauba miss taudanaba. Thank you.